Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable in-app link handling in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and then click on opening links. Now here go to the installed apps section and here it will show you the list of all the apps that you have installed in your mobile. Now from here you can tap on an app in which you want to enable or disable in-app links. So just simply tap on a app and here you will see a open supported links button. So if you want to disable in-app link handling, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable the in-app link handling, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can enable or disable in-app link handling in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.